If you're looking to change the language in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to switch Photopea to a different language in just a few seconds. And the best part is that it won't affect your layers, your canvas, or any of your open projects. Photopea supports many different languages, so whether you want it in Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, or another option, the process is super simple. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. All right, let's jump in. Once Photopea is open, look at the very top menu bar of the screen. You'll see the standard menus like File, Edit, Image, Layer, and more. Now move all the way to the far right side of that top menu bar and click on More. This is where Photopea keeps a few extra settings that don't always appear in the main menu. After clicking More, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, move your mouse over Language. Don't click too quickly here, because when you hover over Language, a side menu will open automatically with all the available translation options. In that side menu, you'll see a list of supported languages. Depending on your version and region, you may see options like Español, Francais, Deutsch, Portuguese, and several others. Just click the language you want Photopea to use. The change happens immediately. As soon as you select a language, the entire Photopea interface will translate right away. You do not need to refresh the page, restart the browser, or close your project. Your active design, layers, and files all stay exactly as they are, so it is a very safe setting to change. If you ever want to switch back later, just follow the same steps again. Go to More, choose Language, and then select a different option from the list. It only takes a moment, which makes it easy to use Photopea in the language you're most comfortable with. And that's it. You now know how to change the language in Photopea quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.